Subscribe to BoostUp Station if you haven't, and today we are going to install Google Chrome extension in Android mobile. So install this browser from Play Store. Link will be given in the description. And after installation, open it up, the Kiwi browser, and go to Chrome extensions. Its link will also be provided in the description. And now you can search your extensions here, or if you want to check manually, then you can go down, and let me install this dark mode extension here. Now just click on add to Chrome and click on OK. It will download and add it. This error you see at the bottom is nothing. The extension has been successfully added. Let us click on these three dots in the right corner and click on extensions. And now here you can see that we have the extension turned on. So click on details, and you can even allow it for incognito window. The extensions work same as in the laptop or computer Google Chrome version. And you can see if you click on these three dots again, in the bottom you see dark mode. Let us click on it and check if it works or not by refreshing this page. And you can see that the extension works perfectly. So what if you want to install an extension that is already present in your mobile? So go to the extensions again, click on developer mode here, turn this option on and click on load. Now click on allow while using the app, allow it and click on allow. Now choose files from here, and you have to select the extension. It can be of the form .crx or .zip. I will be installing both of these. So first of all, zip, it is installed, and let us also install the crx file. Browse it from your mobile and open it up, and you can see that it is also installed, the ad blocker. Let me turn it on and click on OK. Now it is just opening the page, and here you can see that we have installed 3 extensions from different places, and they work perfectly fine. And now you can just turn off this developer mode. So please subscribe to BoostUp Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.